He leaves behind his family, his terrible memes on his phone, his AirPods, Bevo and Edgar, but most importantly, the boys. I'm sorry Wonder, Father Bird was one of our most retarded operators. Look, if you need anything we'll get Emmy to suck you off to get you better.
Hello, it's me Ermin of the popular Disney XD show, Walk the Prank.
I'm sorry sir, but your show sucks.
Well, from what I remember Mr. TNT Dynamite, you got a lot of hate with the Galaxy and Emmy Catgirl thing.
At least my content wasn't a tragedy sir.
It was more than a tragedy sir, it was unnecessarily bad. Now Wonder, I got some good news for you.
Mr. Herman, you can screw off.
Oh hush up now Mr. Boom. Now Wonder, we have some nice resurrection spells thrown in from Skyrim that you'd be interested in. Father Bird told me you were into Fallout more, but I know you've been to Cloud District recently, so now we can bring him back just with that. Think about it. Psych, you just walked the prank.